Alright, what up y'all? I'm gonna show you how to change your soil pH fast. That's why you clicked on this video, because you want to know how to do it too. Alright, so you can see we have Pro-Cal right here. The main brand is Solu-Cal right there. So there's a bunch of these different fast-acting limes. There's a Pennington one, there's one at Lowe's, there's this one, which is Solu-Cal. There's one at Southern States, and they're all different pounds and prices. Just to give you an idea on the prices, I paid $14.16 for this bag. At Lowe's, this is a 50-pound bag. At Lowe's, it was like a 30-pound bag for $15. At Home Depot, it was like a 30-pound bag for $15. At Southern States, it was like 20 bucks for a 50-pound bag. So this is fast-acting limestone. There's a bunch of different types of lime. There's calcitic lime and dolomitic lime. This is calcitic lime. It provides calcium carbonate to the plants or soil or lawn, whatever you're doing. So the dolomitic limestone provides calcium and magnesium carbonate. This doesn't have calcium or magnesium in it, so I'm gonna have to get it from a different source, like magnesium sulfate or something like that. But the traditional limestones take forever to work. They take forever to work. They're cheaper, but they take forever to work. So for example, a regular 50-pound bag of traditional cheap dolomitic lime from Home Depot is like $4. This stuff starts working immediately and changes the pH, or so they say. I haven't used it yet. Changes the pH in a matter of weeks to 2 months or something like that. The other stuff takes forever. I've read studies on that stuff where people spread it and it takes 18 months to get the desired results. That isn't going to work for me. I need instant, because I need to get my plants in the ground within a month. So hopefully this will correct the problem that fast, or at least start working that fast. There's also ag lime, which is bulk, which you get at a distributor, a feed store, whatever, and they load it in the back of the truck, and that's like $30-$40 a ton. But that stuff isn't ground that fine. Now when it comes to lime, what I found out is it's all in the fineness that it's ground. So this stuff is ground to, like, I think I read 35 microns, which is tiny, 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 like dust. And that's what makes it work so fast. The other stuff is pretty coarse. That's one of the reasons why this stuff works so much more efficient, is it's ground extremely fine. So they grind it extremely fine, and then they make it into the little prills, the spheres, and it spreads the same. So you can use a regular spreader, and you'll be all right. Another advantage of this stuff is that you use 25% less. So 50 pounds equals whatever that comes out to, a quarter of that, 200 pounds. So you need 200 pounds to equal 50 pounds, and it costs more, but it works faster, and it all evens out. So imagine you have a huge lawn, you got to get 20 bags of regular lime. Well, you get whatever that translates to in this, 25% of that, because it's more efficient. So they say that's how it works, that you have to buy less bags and fool with less bags. So I need a pH change fast, or at least starting to change fast. that's why I went with this stuff. I hope this information helps y'all out. That's just, through all the research and stuff that I've done, and this is the solution I came up with. All right, so I'll put links in the description where y'all can order this stuff online. It's going to be expensive to ship, but I'll also put links down there where you can read all about it and stuff from their website. I'm not getting paid to say this. I just wanted to share this information with y'all because I figured it'd help somebody else out. So if y'all enjoy farming videos, if this helped y'all out, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below for more farming videos in the future. Peace.